Hello and welcome to this recipe video. Now, I don't know about you, but it's a little hot in here. Whew. It's a little bit hot in the house. Total excuse to go shirtless. Anyway, welcome to this video. If you're unaware, I made another recipe video involving vegan burgers. Now, if you want to check that one out, go look in the description. It will be there for your viewing pleasure. It's about 13 minutes. And it's awesome. Best vegan burgers I've ever made. Trust me. Alright, this video is about a smoothie. Now, what are you thinking? A smoothie? That's just pretty basic, right? I mean, it's a smoothie. Who really cares? Well, I have tips for you. Tip number 1, get a good blender. This is a Ninja 1100 watt blender. It happens to be the one with the 3 blades. Dual purpose. It works amazing. Second thing is you get this to-go cup. This thing is a lifesaver. The reason it's a lifesaver is because I can take it, boom, take that off, fill it up, put this on, put it in here, plus press blend, and in like less than 2 minutes, I'm out the door. All you have to do is rinse this for a few seconds. Here I have frozen fruit. It's important to get frozen fruits. Why? Cool, it's cold. It's already cold. You don't have to put it in the fridge or anything. It's ready to go. This kind of blender is strong enough to do frozen fruit and any kind of fruit, really. So we'll do both. For this to-go cup, I use a half-cup measure, which I just leave in the bag. I put 2 of those in there, okay? And then I use a banana. Doesn't matter what kind of banana you use, as long as it isn't green. Personally, I like ones that are not quite as ripe as this, but that's just my personal taste. So put that in there. And then all you have to do now is add some vanilla almond milk. Right to the top of the frozen fruit. Ooh. How long is this taking? 30 seconds? And then you put this on. Good to go. Ingredients for this one. I usually do 4. But we'll just do 3. Okay, that was a small one, so do 3 like that. Put the measuring cup back in the bag, half-assed. Then you take 2 bananas. You gotta have bananas. You wanna know why? Because they're silky, they're smooth, they're creamy. They take the zing out of everything. They take the grossness out of just water and fruit. Who wants just water and fruit? Not this guy. Stick on your lid, just like that. Before we blend this up, it's important to be careful. Safety first. Let's do it. Done just like that. And like I said, to-go cup is awesome because all you do is wash this, give it a shake, clean. Then normally I don't use this. It normally sits right behind the blender. Good, done. Screw this on, and you're good to go. Got it. Benefit to this blender is it has a little lid. You just open that, you don't have to take the whole thing off, and it stays open. And you pour it in. Alright, there you go. If you're making smoothies for more than one, use this. Unless you're doing it for 2 people, because this blender comes with 2 of these cups. If you're doing just yourself, you and your partner, use this thing. Honestly, it's much faster, it's much cleaner. If you just keep this all in a nice package on your countertop to where it's just sits like that, and then on top is this, it stays plugged in all the time. Literally all you have to do, add your fruit, tip it over, start, done. minutes. If you like these videos and you want to see more, feel free to comment. I know they don't get a lot of views, but I'm not doing them for views. I'm doing them for people who want to see them, and I like spending time doing this kind of stuff. So if you like these videos and you want to see more, feel free to comment. And until further news, I shall talk to you later. Oh, and by the way, you can add anything to this. I usually like to add spinach, and this blender does a very good job of blending that spinach into nothing. If you want zero pulp, like I'm talking absolutely none, then you might want to invest in something a little faster, and that is the Vitamix. But if you don't have $600 and instead you have $100 on a Sunday afternoon when this thing goes on sale at Superstore, pick this up, honestly. You will love it. You will love it. This is your typical $20 piece. Just look at that. It's a world of difference. And let me tell you, it makes a big difference. See you later.